Okay, so now in here we learn how to find the percentile of a value. So it's actually quite easy and simple. So let's look at example number 1, and we focus on data set 2 this time. Okay, let's have a little bit change of taste here. So we would like to find the percentile of x equals 84. Okay, so to find the percentile of x equals 84, what you need to do is you look at your data set 2. By the way, that's the data set that we need to focus on. So look at data set 2 and you need to locate 84. And now you're gonna have to count all data values that fall below 84. So you're gonna have to count the total values that are below 84. So here what I see, we have 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 31. So I have a total of 31. So once again, 31 here is the number of data values that fall below 84. So I have 31 out of the total 40. So now I'm going to set that ratio as a percentage. And so as you can see, 31 over 40 is going to be 0.775. So 0.775, or it can be equals to precisely 77.5%. That means 84 is the 77.5 percentile, and that's what it means by finding the percentile of a value. So to give you one more example to get yourself more comfortable with this type of problem. So how about this time when you look at example number 2, still on data set 2. Okay, we want to find the percentile of 60. Okay, so once again, 60 is an individual data value on the list, and there are going to be quite a few 60s on the list. But then the point now is that to find the percentile of 60, you need to just simply count all those values falling below 60. And so what I can see here is that if I'm looking at my data set 2, and of course in the version that you put in order, so my data set 2 is reflecting that I have 6 data values falling below 60. So now I'm going to go 6 over 40, and so 6 divided by 40. I will have 6 divided by 40. Right, so the answer is 0.15. 0.15. And so 0.15 here can be converted into percentage, 15%. So once again, 15% here means there are 6 data values falling below 60, or in other words, there are 15% of data values falling below 60. And so 60 on the other hand, 60 is the piece of 15. Okay, so 60 is the 15th percentile, and that's how we are finished finding the percentile of any value.